Traders, this is Currency Classroom. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be covering one of the best gold trading strategy. This strategy is guaranteed to make you a lot of profit. So tune in, listen, take some notes, and let's download some money. So with this strategy, it is a scalping strategy. So you'll be utilizing your 5 minutes time frame. That's the best time frame I use for scalping, the 5 minutes time frame. The strategy is very simple. You only need to master 3 technical skills, and those skills are your order block, change of structure, and break of structure. I will make a separate video explaining order blocks, but with change of structure and break of structure, I can cover them in this video when we go through the examples. So in this strategy, you just look for those 3 things. Let's get to the charts. So as I said, as you can see here, I already marked some of the stuff some of the signals, and it's because I was trading these signals this week, so I didn't remove, but then we'll go through them one by one so that you can get the hang of it, and I'll tell you where to put your stop loss, where to put your take profit. So with this first one, you have got your order block here. You have your order block here, which is this box. You have your order block here, and then you have your break of structure. So you had a higher high here, it went down, created a low, and then higher low, and then this higher high, there was a break, so it was it became a previous higher high, and this one became the new higher high, right? So this break of this higher high is called the break of structure. So there was this break of structure, right? So, and then after this break of structure, there was a drastic movement down, which broke this higher low, because this is an uptrend. So we're talking about higher highs and higher lows, because this is an uptrend. So there was this drastic movement down, and it broke this higher low. And if you know your trends very well, you know that you are not supposed to break a higher low if you're on an uptrend. If you break a higher low, it is change of structure, so the market is changing directions. You can see with most of the candles on the trend, right? So you get your higher high here, then you create your higher low, and then you went up, you created a higher high, and then you created a higher low. It didn't break this one. It will never break this one for it to be a confirmed trend. So it goes somewhere here and then it goes back up, but here we broke the higher low, right? So with these two, now it is confirmed. So this order block is confirmed, right? That it's a high probability order block. So the last candle, the last green candle before the drastic move down, the last green candle up, like the highest last green candle, which is this one, before the drastic move down, is your order block. So you take the body, do not take the wicks, just take the body, and then you have your order block, right? So the last green candle before the shoot down, so the last bullish candle before the bearish movement. So that's that. So you have your order block here, and then you have your break of structure, and then you get your change of structure. So now we wait for the price to go into the order block, and then the moment it enters, doesn't matter if it has entered all the way in or it's just, you know, right at the beginning, wherever it is, if it's touching this zone, we are going in, we are entering the position. And then so this one touched, and then we entered the sell here, and then it went down, it went down, it went down, and then this is where my take profit was at. The reason why I placed my take profit here is because of this movement here. So the movement that changed the structure, the movement that signaled a change of structure, ended here, which means that there is some resistance here, there is some support here, there is some support here. So it means that it managed to break this one but couldn't break this one, which means that this support here is a little bit strong. So I wasn't about to risk it and see if this movement was gonna break that support. So I used it as my take profit, and it actually went here and then went back. So now you got one movement. Now let's go to the next one. So we are on an uptrend, and then you got your higher high, and then the higher high got broken, and then you have your break of structure here, and then you look for the last bullish candle before a drastic move down, which is this small green candle there, and then there's a drastic move down, and then there is a higher low, but it got broken. And then this breaking movement is your change of structure, and then after that we went up, we went into our zone, right? We went into our zone, as you can see, right? We went into our zone and then we pushed down. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the last one. Let's go to the last one. This one right here. We can use this one right here as our higher high. This was just broken using the using the wicks of the candlestick. It wasn't like a whole candle breaking it, which makes the signal a little bit weak, but I took my risk here. So what I look for is a breakout that is a full candle, so a candle with the body breaking out. That's what I look for. But with this one, you can just see it just left like a like a wick. But then, because I don't know, maybe I was desperate this day, so I considered it a break of structure. So there you go, you get your break of structure right there, and here that means this will make your higher low. This will be your higher low right here. So break of structure, change of direction right here. You get your change of direction. So we are an uptrend, and this one is marking your change of direction. You broke the higher low. You broke the higher low. So now we go down, right? We go down, and then we come back, and then we enter our zone. We enter our zone, and then after entering our zone, that's where we place our orders. Okay, so we go sell, and then take profit. As I said, I use the drastic movement down. So the drastic movement ended somewhere here, so that's where I'm gonna put my take profit. With your stop loss, you can use the order block. So you can use your order block as your stop loss. So if it goes out of your order block, the signal is basically invalid. With me here, I used these candles. I use these candles. This is bearish engulfing candle pattern, right? I'll do a separate video where I explain some of the candlestick patterns, but this is a bearish engulfing. And then profits. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful, and use this strategy wisely and make some money. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe.